Okay. They have given total maximum efficiency of 0.98 at full load with a full load kVA of 15 kVA. They have given at unity power factor. So what is the formula for the efficiency? Efficiency formula is eta is equal to x into what is the full load kVA they have given? 15 kVA. 15 into 10 to the power of 3 at unity power factor. 1 into power factor x into 15 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 plus Wi plus x square into WCU. Right? He is telling eta is maximum of 98%, 0.98. When the efficiency will be maximum, this Wi must be equal to x square into WCU, right? So Wi must be equal to x square into WCU. Instead of writing x square WCU, can I write Wi? 2 Wi. It will become 2 Wi. What is the x? They are clearly telling the maximum efficiency of 98%. Transformer has maximum efficiency when delivering a full load. So x is equal to 1 only. Now full load means 1. So 1 into 15 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 divided by 1 into 15 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 plus 2 Wi, right? 2 Wi. Thus that implies Wi is equal to, so now I am taking this denominator here, then it will reduces like this: 1 into 10 to the 1 into 15 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 plus 2 Wi must be equal to 1 into 15 divided by 0.98. So it reduces like this, and finally we will get Wi is equal to 153.06 watts. Now what I have to calculate? Now I have got Wi. What is iron loss? Iron loss. Now what is copper loss at full load? Copper loss at full load is also copper loss at full load, because at full load only efficiency is maximum he is giving. So at full load is also 153.06 watts. Can I write like this? Yes. Now they are asking to calculate the efficiency if the load is 10 kilowatt. If the load is 10 kilowatt, what is the efficiency at 10 kilowatt? I have to calculate efficiency at 10 kilowatt. So what is the output they are giving? They have already given 10 kilowatt. 10 into 10 to the power of 3. 10 into 10 to the power of 3 and 10 into 10 to the power of 3. Now output plus losses, right? 10 into 10 to the power of 3 plus, what is the iron loss? Iron loss is equal to 153.06 plus x square into WCU at full load. WCU at full load. What is this x value? So here in this problem, one data is insufficient. Even if you give 10 kilowatt, you need power factor, okay, to calculate. But this power factor is not mentioned. If the load is 10 kilowatt or 10 kVA, they should ask. If they want to ask in kilowatt, then they have to give the power factor. So take some power factor of 0.98. Okay, 0.98. What is now? If I take the power factor of 0.98, then what is this value of x I have to calculate? X is very simple. What is the output kVA? Output kVA is equal to full load kVA into power factor. Full load kVA is how much? The full load kVA is 15 kVA into 0.98. 15 into 0.98 is how much? 15 into 0.98. That is around 14.7 kilowatt. 14.7 kilowatt. You have to change this 0.10 kilowatt, not 10 kilowatt, 10 kVA. 10 kVA with a power factor of 0.98. Please change this in this problem. So now 10 kVA, this rules out. Instead you have to write like this, eta 10 kVA or 98% of load. When at the 98% of load, what is the efficiency? So now what is the output kVA? 14.7 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 14.7 into 10 to the power of 3 in plus Wi 153.06 plus x square. How to calculate this x? X is equal to output is 14.7 divided by output is how much? Output kVA 10 kVA is the output kVA. I am taking 10 kVA. 10 divided by 15. 10 divided by 15 is how much? 10 divided by 15. It is 66% load. So 0.66 whole square into WCU at full load. WCU at full load is 153.06. Now eta 10 kVA is equal to, it will come around 0.9852, around 98.52%. This is the answer. What they have missed here? The data, they have to give 10 kVA at a power factor of so and so, or if they want to express in 10 kilowatt, also they have to express the power factor, or you have to calculate the power factor. Hope this is cleared with you. Okay.